Hello friends, welcome to Savvaji. Today we are going to learn Sarva Pindi, that is Ginnappa Tapala Pindi in Telugu, and a traditional dish from Telangana actually, and made as evening snack, crispy. And Sarva Pindi is a savory pancake made of rice flour, chana dal and spices to make it delicious and a healthy dish. Now coming to ingredients, we need rice flour 1 cup, chana dal 2 tablespoons, sesame seeds 2 tablespoons, green chilli 1 finely chopped, onion 1 finely chopped, curry leaves 1 sprig finely chopped, chilli powder 1 tablespoon, water as needed, and salt to taste, oil for pan frying. Now coming to directions to prepare. Soak chana dal for 15 minutes, drain it and put it in a mixing bowl along with chili powder, sesame seeds, onion, green chilli, curry leaves and salt, and mix all the ingredients. Now add in rice flour and add some water and make into soft dough. Take a non-stick tawa and drizzle 1 tablespoon of oil. Take an orange size dough and press it over the tawa with your hands till it gets even. Now using your finger, make small holes in the center and drizzle some oil in the holes. Now heat a tawa and cover with a lid. Let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes on a slow flame till it is cooked. It takes time to cook, but after completing the preparation of this snack, really irresistible and very much yummy and tasty. One of my favorite snack in the evening. You also try. Now if you need, you can flip over and cook. Otherwise it is ready. And remove and serve it. Choice of your chutneys. What does Sarva Pindi actually means? This word is divided into two. Sarva, which means a deep pot or a pan, and appa means a cake sort of preparation. So hence the word translation of Sarva Pindi is the pancake. I think you like this traditional pancake. Try it and enjoy the real and traditional taste of Telangana. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.